Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another lead code problem, basically of Java interview series. We are continuing again, and this is the problem which is being asked in many of the companies. As I said, I'm covering most of the problems which are being most asked in many of the interviews. So let's get started. And before that, like if you haven't like and share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will get a motivation for me for making such more videos. So basically this is the lead code problem. You can search on the lead code also. Basically you will be given a string and you need to remove all the adjacent duplicates in the string. And basically suppose this is the whole problem I copied from the lead code. So let me go through with the example first. That this is, suppose this is the string a double b a c a is the string, and in this like you need to remove the duplicate characters, adjacent duplicates. Like in this adjacent duplicate is first bb. So once you remove that double, twice b is coming, so once you remove it that twice b, so then it will become double a, like it will become like a c a. Now again like the a is coming twice, so we will try to remove this a also. Both the a's will move, so the final output should come as ca. So this is the string which is not containing any adjacent duplicates in this, so you need to return this final string. This is the like main output you can say. And similarly for we have the next example, az double x zy is there. So we will remove double x from here, so a double z y will be the in the first input. Then from after that we will try to remove double z also, so the final output will come like ay. So basically you will be given an string and you need to remove the adjacent duplicates. Interviewer will ask, and you need to try to solve it in the minimum time complexity. That is the approach. So what I will be following it, I will be following the two pointer approach here also. Like in I will be taking a string buffer or a string builder, either of that, but I will take a string buffer suppose. So in string buffer I will add one by one character, and I will match that string buffer character with the string this string character. Then while matching it, I will be checking the last character of string buffer. If both are equal, then I will be removing the character from string buffer. Otherwise I will simply add in the else loop. This is the main logic I will be following, and it will be solved in the time complexity of O of n. So let's get started in id. So basically I have taken this example, first test case, and this will be a generic logic which will be covering all the test cases of the lead code. So just go through it once. It is a simple, nothing much we need to do. We just need to declare one string buffer. Suppose for example I have declared one string buffer, and then one while loop will we will be needing it to traverse that particular string. And there we will be using if else block. That firstly we will check if string buffer last character and string character both are same. Sp dot caret, and the last character basically we'll be checking it if it is equal to str dot char at I. If it is same anyhow, so what we'll be removing it, we'll be deleting it basically. Okay, just a minute, not delete method, we need to call the delete caret. The position we need to give. Okay, so now we will be passing the last character only which is being matched. That character will be removing it from the string buffer one. Else what we will be doing, we will be appending it. For adding it we have the append method in string buffer, str dot caret I. And one more important point is here that while checking it, suppose if the initial the string buffer length is 0, so in that case it will throw the exception. So to avoid that thing, what we will be doing it, okay, so So we will be checking the length is greater than 0, then we are checking the last character of string buffer and the string character. If both are same, then we are deleting the character or at the last position of the string buffer. Otherwise, if length is less than 0, so initially we are appending it in the string buffer. So this is the main logic of our program. Now we will simply sys out and print this string buffer. We will convert into string and we will print it. See here, we are getting the CA as expected output. Firstly, it will remove BB in the first iteration. Then again, it will found that A is the adjacent character duplicate. So it will remove the A twice A also. Then at the end, we will be left at CA. So let's cover the next test case also. Let me run that also. This is the generic logic. It will cover most like all of the test cases of the LeetCode. You can just go through it. Nothing hard I have done. Once I will explain again. See here, x twice x was coming, it got removed. Then twice z was coming, so z got removed. Then a is y is coming. So basically we are traversing this particular string that is was given, and then we have declared one string buffer, and then what we are checking it, if the string buffer length is greater than 0, then only this if block should be executed, and using ampersand, then string buffer last character and the string initial character while using the iteration of that particular loop. If both are same, then we are removing the last character of string buffer. Otherwise, if this if block condition is false anyway, so we are simply appending it into a string, like into string buffer, and at the last we are converting a string buffer to string and printing it. So that's the simple logic of this. And as we are using this one for loop only for iteration, so the time complexity will be of O of n. Yeah, so time complexity is O of n, and so that's it. And let me know if you have any feedback, any suggestions from my side. Please ping me or please reach me in the comments. And I have apart from this, like I have covered most of the interview questions of Spring Boot, microservices, and JUnit also, and Hibernate I will be uploading soon. So that's it from my side. And from Java perspective also, I have covered some of the questions. We'll be uploading more questions that part. And please like and share and subscribe my channel. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.